It's Friday, July 28th. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat, brought to you by Eric Patato of eXp Realty, your BC, Thompson, Okanagan, and Shuswap lakefront specialist. It's the latest hint that just maybe all those expert predictions about a recession were wrong. StatsCan pegging May economic growth at 0.3%, with service-producing industries leading the way. The construction sector, a notable disappointment though, showing a 0.8% GDP decline. StatsCan also anticipating that June's GDP expansion will come in around 0.2%. Tough times in the pulp and paper business get the blame, as a couple of big names in the BC lumber sector are reporting substantial second quarter losses, $173 million in the hole at West Fraser Timber compared to a year-ago profit of $762 million, while Canfor lost $43.9 million from a nearly $380 million profit a year ago. Around the world on Twitter and wherever you get your favorite podcast, Canada's Business Beat, proudly sponsored by Eric Patato of eXp Realty. Considering a move to BC's wine country? Eric is your BC, Thompson, Okanagan, and Shuswap Lakeview specialist at OkanaganLakefrontProperties.com. A disappointing quarter for Canada's second largest railway, CPK Seabrass, describing the April to June period as challenging, as the company's overall profit of $1.3 million wasn't nearly what was hoped for, wildfires and falling container demand blamed. A couple of big names in the energy space are reporting sharply lower second quarter profits to $675 million from a year-ago take of $2.4 billion at Imperial Oil, while TC Energy saw its bottom line fall to $300 million from $900 million a year back. TC also turning heads with plans to split that company into two separate divisions by the middle of next year. Oh, but here's a sign of increased oil and gas exploration. Calgary-based Precision Drilling is reporting a second quarter profit of $26.9 million after losing $24.6 million in the same 3 months of 2022. And that will do it for this week. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat, brought to you by Eric Patato and OkanaganLakefrontProperties.com.